Welcome back to Hope, Will, and Compassion. I'm your host, Morgan. Today I'd like to talk to you about traveling and how to pack for traveling. All that coming up next. All right, so it is almost summertime and I wanted to talk about traveling because I think after this whole pandemic, a lot of people want to get away, and especially with the summer weather, want to go away. So I'm someone who likes to pack and travel light. These are some of the tools I use to pack light. So I'm hoping I'm pronouncing this correctly. This bag here is the Modoker, and we'll get into that in a second. First, I want to talk about the Tript bags. Now, these are container carriers for your clothing, and they come in a wide variety of packing clothing packets. After doing much review, it's Tript that I went with. I like the sleek design, and you can really pack a lot of essentials. So this is your large travel bag from Tript, and they've got even up to like really small ones where I pack underwear, socks, things of that nature. For the large ones like this, I roll up about 3 pairs of pants, possibly even 4. I have a short video that I did make about a month ago when I went away showing using these products. And this has come in to be a real space saver, especially when you're traveling, because not only can you just roll up your pants and put them in here, but you've got another zipper. See how it gets a little bit wider? And then you can just zip it up and compress it even more into this area and then just lay it down. Let me show you the Modoker bag, okay? Which I think is very impressive. So the bag here is like this. As you can see, it's like a garment bag when you first open it. And you can zip this open, put a suit, put nice jacket, pants, things of that sort. And there's tiny zippers inside that can clip and hold the garment in place. Now, like I said, here's also your Tript. After it's full, you just place your stuff down. You basically are going to take this, zip it up into the shape of your bag with these zippers. It's pretty impressive. So after you zip it up, this is the shape of the bag itself. You got a storage area for extra compartments over here, and you have another storage area for shoes. These are the extra compartments, which even has a key holder for you to put your keys in. You can attach your keys right there, slap it on. Neat little design accessories on the sides. And then you also have on this side where you can insert your shoes into the bag and keep that separate from the rest of the bag. Because as I'll show you, let me reopen this, has an individual bag on the inside, which would not be touching your clothes. I did a short video using the Tript and Modoker bag. Let's check that out. All right, so this video is about the Modoker bag. So I figured this would be perfect. We're out away on a weekend trip. Just a quick little weekend. So let's show you how I did pack this. And it opens like that and like that. All right. So this is also doubles up as a garment bag on the inside. So just brought 2 t-shirts. This is the new Outlander that I bought. It is a backpack in a bag and easy for travel. You can see that right there. So just in case I need a backpack when we're out and about and I don't want to bring the rest of my luggage, this is my shoes, one pair of shoes, 2 collared shirts. Now this is a packing bag made by the company Tript, and I have 4 garments in here. I have 1 pair of shorts, no, 3 pairs of shorts and 1 pair of jeans, all snugly fitted into here. This I got separate. This is the Modoker toiletry bag. And this is holding 3 pairs of underwear and 4, possibly 5 pairs of socks. I can't remember. Now this is the other beauty about this bag. Got my belt in here. And you can have some various other articles in here. So for instance, got some wiring, and this is my cell phone. Not my actual personal cell phone. This is my cell phone for helping me make YouTube videos as a backup video. And then this opens up, which I didn't use it, into a garment bag where you can put a suit, pants, if you need one, if you're on a business trip or you need something nice to wear out on a night out to a very nice engagement or a dinner. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Great bag. And then it just folds right up real nice. Well, that was the review of the Tript, which I highly recommend if you are someone who's a minimalist. Great travel bag, great for weekend trips, and also if you also need to go to a destination like a wedding, possibly even a funeral or a family affair, and you need to dress up for it. Great things to bring with you. All right, so there you go. The Tript for the small compartment bags for traveling, and the Modoker travel bag. That's all for this episode. Like always, everybody, be seeing you.